In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this something went wrong error while trying to use the Google Play Store on your Android phone. So to fix this, first head to the settings app. Now tap on the search option and then look for date and time. Now select the first result, that is date and time. Now tap on it again. Now here make sure you have enabled this automatic date and time and automatic time zone options. If you haven't, your Play Store may not work as expected. Once you have done this, simply long press on the Play Store icon and then tap this info icon that appears right here. Now here tap on this force stop option and then select OK. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option and then try using the Google Play Store one more time. However, if it still won't work, head back to the Google Play Store app info page. Here tap the three dot icon at the top right corner and then choose uninstall updates. Now select uninstall updates to confirm. Once you have done this, simply open Google Play Store again and it will update automatically. Don't worry, this won't affect any of your apps or data. Once the Play Store reopens, you should no longer encounter any errors.